Hi, and good morning. I think it's still morning. But yeah, I'm in one of my rooms in my house. I am actually filming on my phone because I apparently left my camera in the car and my husband just left. We share a car, so yeah, no camera. So hopefully this works out well. I'm gonna have to get used to looking to the left because that's where the camera is. So if I look to the right, sorry about that because I'm looking at the screen and I completely forget. But yeah, today I'm just going to show you like just the go-to makeup I've been doing since I've been home. There's really no need to put on makeup since I'm at home recovering from surgery still. But I have had people come over and bring me meals and stuff, so I have to look somewhat normal. So this is just a quick makeup I've been doing just so I can look decent. So I hope you enjoy and let's begin. I use this Luminizer primer from Dr. Brandt. I've used this before. I'm sorry if the window, this is the only room with like really good lighting right now, so it might be shining too much on the products, but I've been putting this on. It's just got some sparkle in it just so it's glowy. Now I go in with my Glossier skin tint in medium. My skin looks pretty good, so I've been using this and it's enough. I just dot it on, and with my hands I blend it in. And now for concealer, I put on my Glossier Stretch Concealer in Light Clear. This concealer has lasted me forever. It's really good. Well, I'm starting to hit the bottom now, so I might need to restock this. I'm gonna just put some down here. I'm going to use the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I have this little mini sample size. I love these sample sizes. They're so easy. I have a little, oops, that's way too much. A little travel case. I just take these little minis wherever I go. And I just put this everywhere because it keeps the glow and still looks natural. For blush, I just use this little Snow White. I think they still have it on the Besame website. This little Snow White Cream Rouge. And I use this Precision Foundation brush from Luxie. And for the eyeshadow, I have this little Estee Lauder Instant Intense eyeshadow. Doesn't really have the color name on it, but it looks like this. I like to use this brown all over my lids. Now for highlight, I have another mini Hourglass Vanish in Champagne Flash, the cream highlighter. Just put this on my nose, my inner corners, cheekbones, cupid's bow, and chin. What I like about this cream stick is that you can put it over cream products, dry products. It works great. And I just blend it out with my fingers. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. And I'm going to use the Chanel Le Volume de Chanel in Noir 10. It's a little sample I just got recently, part of a gift with purchase. And I just go over my brows. Don't worry too much about my brows because they're underneath my overgrown bangs. So just need the front parts to look good. Finish, I'm going to put on some lip liner and then some gloss. So I'm using the Metier de Beaute in L'Amour. Just blend that in with my finger. And the gloss I'm going to use is the Glossier Cherry Balm Dotcom. I like this because it has a tint on it. And it's nice and moisturizing too. And let me fix this hair because it looks crazy. I'm getting my hair trimmed on Thursday after my stitches come out, so this situation will be fixed. And yeah, that is it for my look. This is what I've been wearing for the last week. Yeah, a little over a week since my surgery. So yeah, I keep it in this cute little bag. Everything fits perfectly, and I just put it underneath my coffee table because I pretty much spend the whole day in front of the TV on my couch because I'm not supposed to be moving. I have to have my foot elevated, and yeah. So this fits perfectly underneath. Get it done in like 10 minutes, maybe less, and yeah, I look decent. So I hope you enjoyed, and remember to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!